showing the details of the profile which is for marriage people in this case. So if he is a boy, we will show them the details of the girls who have registered. If he is a guy, a girl, if we show them the details of the girls in this case. After explaining this, you have to run the project and you have to explain them. To run the project, I will be creating one application in your system called as Tomcat 6. So you have to first double click on this Tomcat 6. Okay. Once it starts, don't close it. If you close your program, project will not run. So you have to minimize this and keep it active till the complete execution of the program in this case. Okay. And after that, there will be one shortcut file that I will be creating in your application. So in their laptop only, I will be creating one application called Matrimony. You double click on this. So it will open the application. So here first, if anybody wants to see the profile, they have to register first. So for that, they will click on register. And they have to enter the details of that particular person in this case. Say we'll enter the details of a guy, say Sachin. Next his mobile number. Next is gender. Say who has created the profile, is it self or his parents or cousins, that we have to mention. Say he has created a self profile in this. Then what is his mother tongue? We will select the mother tongue in this. Which religion he is, which caste he belongs to, and his email ID. So here we will give sachin@gmail.com. Then his password will keep Sachin itself. Then what is his date of birth? Say 22nd July 1990. And then about him, what he does and all those things. I'm easy going person. Like to know about nature of that particular person and click on register. So once you click on register, it will say registered successfully. The same way you can give the girl's details also to register in this case. After registering, very simple, go to home page. He has to enter the mobile number and password which he had given while registering in this. So I had given that password was Sachin. Click on login. So once he goes to login, this is a home page. Clicks on view profile. So in profile, he will see all the names of the guys and the girls, and I will check this. It is showing the guy's name here. I will change that. It will show all the details of the girls to the boy in this case. So here it is showing both. I'll change that. So here he can see the profile of a girl in this case. What is his gender, her mother tongue, religion, everything in this. And then if he is interested, then he will be having the email ID. They will send a mail to that particular person. Next, I have my profile. In that, my profile will be displayed to the user in this case. Whatever the information I had entered when I was registering, his data will be displayed in this. So I click on. I'll take Sitara. I don't remember. Anyway, log out in this. If the girl logs in, say we have to register for that also. And once she logs in, probably I've given. Six password. So she clicks on view profile, she will be able to see all the guys' profile in this case. Okay, so here it is showing the female. I'll change that. So it will show the guy's profile in this. If she is interested, she has a contact number, there is an email ID. They'll make the communication in this case. And this is how very simple application where girl can meet a boy and boy can meet the girl by seeing their profile. They can make a communication and the remaining things goes on further in this case. So this is what application what we have created in our project. You must like this. Clear with this? Yes. If it is a full, full project, now it is a mini project. If it is a full project, then we can send a request I like their profile in this, all those things. We can do it in future in this case. Okay, so that you can tell it what are the things that you can add it in future. After executing this, they may ask you like how you have designed this software. So for that, you should tell we have used this front end design using a HTML. Okay, HTML language we have used to design the front end. Coding part is done through the Java language in this case. And database we are using is MySQL. These are three general questions what they ask. Now, when you run this application, they may ask you to make some changes. Like they may tell instead of login page, just keep login. How you have to make the change? Very simple. You should see what is the name of the page on the top. Okay. This project, where it is stored? It is stored in your this PC, in that C drive, in that Tomcat, in that web apps. Inside web apps, you will be having matrimony or file in this case. Inside this, search for index. Open this, and they told instead of login page, I should have only login. So search where is that login page. Just scroll down, you will be able to see this. So just keep login, delete this page, and save. Compulsory you have to save, and then come to the web page and refresh. Search on only login. Got this? So like this, you should see the name of the page, and then you should make the change. Second, they may ask you show me the connectivity where the database connectivity is done. So for that, open any page in this. Okay. So example, I will open in the login itself. Search for a word called action. Wherever you find this word action, open that. There you will see another file name. Checklogin.jsp. Open checklogin.jsp. It is here. In this, we have the connectivity, the database connectivity here in this case. Okay, where it will connect to the database called as Matrimony. So this is the name of the database in our system. So in that database, it will be showing you the, it will be having all the tables of your database in this case. So this is a connectivity part that you have to show them. Or directly you can open and show it. You can see just login. You know that check login is a page where we have a database connectivity. So no need to search for action and then come here. You can just open check login. You can show them these are the data in this case. Clear with this point? If they ask you, like here you are clicking on register. After you click on register, where it will go? So that time you should do this. Check the name of the page. It is register.jsp. Open register.jsp. In register, search for action. Action it is showing matrimony register save. Open matrimony register save. That is this one. Here it is showing you the database connectivity again. How the data is stored in that database. Those informations are displayed here. You should be able to show that this is a connectivity. And when I click on register, it will come here. It will fetch all the data that I had entered. And now it will store, make the connection with the database, and the data will be executed. That is, the data will be stored here. These are the three things: retrieve the data, connect with the database, store the data. Understood this point? So this is what you have to run and you have to show them this. Understood? Any doubts you have? Okay. Execute the project. I will put it in